Toyota Veloz or Toyota Innova XE, let's just say may budget naman, anong mas better piliin with their specs and features? So, Paulo Castro, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, sagutin natin. So, allow me to just share with you a little secret, no? Anong car releasing day kasi natin dito sa Toyota Veloz. Ito, secret lang natin to. I was really parang nag-hesitate or nagdadalawang isip pa ako. Kumbaga, during that time, we were signing the papers, and may naka-display doon na Toyota Innova XE. And please don't tell my wife, guys. Hindi, joke lang. Alam niya na sumagi sa isip ko. And sinabi ko sa kanya, what if, babe, what if mag-Innova na lang kaya tayo, no? And you know what, sabi niya, Dad, medyo hindi bagay sa edad mo. And that's a real talk para sa akin, no? Ganyan talaga kasi ang buhay or pagpili ng sasakyan. It really is parang kung ano, kumbaga yung what suits best sa lifestyle mo or sa current status mo or you know what's going on with your life and your needs. So in terms of kung ano ang mas better piliin, iba-iba tayo ng current needs and current lifestyle, current situation. If priority mo yung pagdala sa mga family members nyo with a 8 people seating capacity, peace of mind, 2.8 liter engine, diesel, power, rear wheel drive, Innova is the way to go if that's your case. Pero para sa katulad ko na lifestyle lang, usually 2, 3, 4, 5 people lang kayo na laging sumasakay. We just really bought a 7-seater so that yung extra 2 or 3 person or capacity niya, we have it just in case we need it sa mga outings na once in a while lang naman para sa amin. So most of the time, lifestyle lang talaga, city driving. And not to mention na with the Toyota Veloz V variant top of the line with the 1.2 around ganyang price ranges, sobrang hitik niya sa features. On the other hand, si Toyota Innova, meron lang siyang reverse camera and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is good enough for me, honestly lang. And then, wala rin siyang cruise control. So, sana nakatulong. For more in-depth comparison, no, you can find that in my playlist on our YouTube channel. So, sana nakatulong. Follow for more.